Hello and welcome. Today I am going to show you how to make chicken stew in Kerala style. For that I have taken 2 onions which I have chopped. This is 2 big potatoes which I have chopped. This is thin extract of coconut milk. This is thick extract of coconut milk. Chicken pieces, curry leaves, 3 green chilies. This is black pepper pod, about 7 to 8, 3 cloves, 1 cardamom and 1 cinnamon. This I will just crush it. This is ginger garlic. This I have crushed. This is about 7 to 8 flakes of garlic and 1 inch ginger and oil. Now here I have heated a pan. Put a little oil. First I will put this green chili and curry leaves. Now I will put this ginger garlic. And saute this till the raw smell goes. Now I will add this crushed whole masala. It is cinnamon, cardamom and clove and black pepper. Then saute it. Now I'll put this onion. Add a little salt to it so that it cooks faster. And fry this till it becomes golden brown in color. The onions are done now. I'll add this chicken pieces. And potato. Put the thin extract of coconut milk. And this now I will pressure cook it till only 1 whistle. As chicken cooks very quickly. So this is done now. The chicken is cooked. Now again I will add this thin milk and thick milk. And leave this to simmer for at least 10 minutes. Now add about 2 teaspoons of lemon juice. The curry is ready now. Let's garnish it with cilantro leaves. And here our chicken stew is ready. So serve this with rice, roti or chapati.